I do not believe I will be replacing the hoses. I believe instead I will take them apart and grease them. Once then, I will air them back up and shoot some paint through it.
This job sucks.
Don't be dropping tools now. Alright. I got your screws removed on all 7 of these things here. Now we're going to be taking some bodies apart. I'm going to set this little camera right there. Let me see, what are you pointing at? You're pointing at some stuff. Now take a look out here. This window right here, there's a gopher in there. Or not a gopher, a woodchuck. So if you see dirt flying, it's that woodchuck. And if that happens, I'm going to have to stop the video and go out and kill it. Because I hate woodchucks. But anyway, let's get to it now. I suppose I might as well just do it this way. I'm going to have to disconnect some hosiery. Like this. Wow, that's hard. Okay. We got your battery wire. Oh no! Oh god, I'm gonna have to take the other grip panels off. Jeez. That sucks. You're kidding me. Give me my pick. I don't need a pick. Give me one of these things. And of course, the alleged main gun. Gotta be careful with that one since there's a bunch of other crap in the frame when I was doing experiments. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. And then we got your bodies. I'm gonna disassemble the bodies. And then there will be cake. Well, I just got done checking all these solenoid valves. They all seem pretty good. And that means we're going to be doing some assemblies now. And so you may be thinking, oh no, what happens when we mix up the order of these things? Oh my god, everything's going to be confused and set awry. No, not true. They're all modular. Each one of these things is the same thing, except for this one, which has the JB Weld feed neck, thanks to the previous owner. But it doesn't matter, they're all the same. They're all just ions with ion parts. The solenoids are also reasonably similar. Means these two go on the outside, this one goes in the middle. That's the only thing that matters. These things, they're all the same, it doesn't matter, they can go in whatever order. They're all the same. Everything is completely modular, everything is good. And everything will be good forever! Because I just love pie. Now I'm swearing! This one gets in line with the others. Cool! Putting the finishing touches on this last assembly here. Got them all nice and greased. Might as well screw them back together. Let's reinstall some eyes. There we got one. All 3 ready to go. Let's tear some stuff up. Alright, got everything back together. Just checking eyes right now. Making sure everything's working the right way. This one says something's loaded. Oop! That is not right. Something is not loaded. I have to check this one out. Well, it's working now. I jostled around the wire harness and it now seems to be working correctly.